let's talk about how we treat other people and why it matters. Every day, we have chances to be kind, helpful, and fair. These are called positive and inclusive actions. Let's look at some examples. Sharing toys or school supplies. Taking turns on the swing. Listening when someone is speaking. Helping someone who is sad or hurt. Saying thank you to others, or even to the earth. Being inclusive means making sure everyone feels welcome. That means playing with someone who's alone. Learning about different cultures, languages, and traditions. Celebrating differences and showing respect for all people. Different people show respect in different ways. In some cultures, people bow to each other. In others, they might greet each other with a handshake or use kind words. Even small actions can make a big difference. When we're kind and inclusive, we make our classroom and community a better place for everyone.